Nest Pretty. I'm the author of the Nest Pretty Lifestyle Guide. You can get this on Amazon. It's all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life. I work as a closet coach. What that means is I help clients, women, to curate a wardrobe she loves, one season at a time. So one tool that I love to use to help my clients is called the Edit. I'm going to do that for you right now. This is a powerful tool, and I highly encourage you to try it because it helps you so much to hone your wardrobe, to continue to make decisions about your wardrobe. I'm going to turn on a fan. I got hot. So the edit works like this. At the end of the day, you look at your clothes and you ask yourself 3 questions in this order. Question number 1, what worked? And you're asking that question first because you want to train your brain to look for the positive in your life, in your wardrobe, in your appearance. Training your brain to look for what worked is a powerful exercise. The more you do it, the easier it gets. I promise you. So today I wore this little shift dress. It is a little different from what I normally wear. And I have these little brown leather flip-flops that I wore with it. What worked? Well, I've been experimenting with color, and I do believe the color worked for me as long as I kept putting lipstick on. I needed a little extra, yeah, so that worked. I also wore a jean jacket over it when I got cold, and that was fun as well. Question number 2 is what didn't work? And we're asking this question not to contradict ourselves. No, we're just curious throughout the day. Did something not work for me? Was something uncomfortable? Was something not fitting right? Yeah, so that's the question. What didn't work? I would have to say this dress is very comfortable. I do have to be very careful when I bend over though because of the way it's cut. So I don't love to have clothing that has rules like that because then you're always thinking about it. I don't like to think about my clothes, so that's something to consider. Question number 3 is how can I make it better? How can I make this outfit better? And that is just taking the information from question number 1 and question number 2 and then using your imagination. How can I make this better? So, yeah, I don't think I can change the shape of the dress. I do love cap sleeves, by the way, I didn't say that earlier. I think I just have to, how can I make it better? I love it. I think it's super cute. Wear it during times when I don't have to bend over. There you go. So that's how the edit works. Now, what is it like to have a closet coach? What is the point of that? The thing about it is we have sentences running in our brain constantly, and first thing in the morning when you open your closet door, that those sentences start going. And having a closet coach helps you to become aware of what those running sentences are, helps you to evaluate if they're helpful or not, and then helps you to have a better experience getting dressed in the morning. It's the first thing you do every day. I dare say you have to get dressed. You might as well enjoy it. And having a closet coach really creates a container for you to get your closet done, finally. Cross it off your list. So my name is Heidi Gammill. I'm a closet coach. You can learn all about it in my bio. You can also grab a 5-day free training that I hope helps you get started curating a wardrobe you love. Now, if you try the edit, I'd love to hear all about it. So leave a comment below. What worked? What didn't work? And how can you make it better? So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty. I hope this helps you. I hope it inspires you to continue to hone your wardrobe, to curate one you love so that you enjoy the process of getting dressed every day. Bye.